Kerala always lacked the right government who can drive the energy and take Kerala to next level of prosperity. So that is why I said I am more excited to open this NDA office here in Ernakulam and Kochi area, and this will be a good beginning. As a NDA, we are united, a great beginning to start our work, because the phenomenon which we are seeing in the center through the initiatives taken by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the benefits which have reached Kerala is a bare minimum, because we don't have a very conducive government here in Kerala. And people of Kerala have enough seen the alternative change between two groups, the LDF and UDF, for such a long time. So it is not only me, it is an exciting time for the people of Kerala that we are truly getting a right alternative, the NDA, to take forward the visions of the Prime Minister of Modi and to fulfill the dreams and aspirations of the people of Kerala. I am very happy that the senior NDA leaders are all joined here in the opening and inauguration of this auspicious NDA office here. And thank you all for joining this occasion. A good beginning, and we are very hopeful that very soon a better day, brighter days are coming for the people of Kerala. Thank you.